So, Jason, here's the manual.
Yeah.
For this
Yeah.
this diesel, Chinese diesel heat. Okay. You can read. You try to read. Go to open the read. Can you understand?
1. Add gasoline.
Actually, it's wrong. It's a diesel. How come it's add gasoline? Basically, it's like a,
Number 2. After the machine is installed, check where the phone is stuck. If it is stuck, it cannot be started.
what is a phone? iPhone?
What phone?
And yeah,
This phone?
yeah.
What's a phone?
No, there's no phone. So
There's no
basically,
phone.
this manual, this is anti-humanity
Yes,
manual.
yes.
Do you agree with that?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
yes.
that's bullshit.
The red power cord must send out the battery. What?
Send out to the battery. That's yeah. So
Number 4. After the red power line is connected, you need to check where the load voltage reaches 1.5 V, and there is no need to check the battery or wiring.
we don't understand. Really don't understand.
Number
Okay,
5.
enough. This is garbage. It's not away.
Yeah,
Garbage.
yeah,
Garbage.
Yes, garbage.
Okay, record that. Good, Alex. Good, Jason. Oh, it's cold. Cold.
It's not cold to me.
Really cold. So, what do we do?
The hot?
No, right now I push on 2 seconds according to manual. Start now. And you are holding on this one.
Is the heat coming from that?
No. Come from here. This is it. That's it. No. Yeah,
Not that
not yet.
cold.
Not yet.
Not hot. Oh, because it's
The
pretty
manual. You
cold.
can record manual. So basically, come on. This one is hot air supposed to come out. This is output to the combustion.
It just
Yeah. It's still recording. And this is input engine combustion, right? This is input. This is output. This is you're supposed to put on the room hot air, okay?
How am I supposed to know what I'm recording? It's all black screen.
Yeah, because see? Still recording, right?
I feel that it feels like nothing.
No. You feel here. Little bit warm. Not yet. It will take about. It's very hot going to be. So right now it's not hot. A little bit warm. You can hear the click sound. It's a pump the gas diesel. No. See here. Little bit initially. You can see the white smoke here.
I feel.
You don't smell it. It's bad. Now it's started kicking off. Yeah. This smell, diesel smell now.
Okay, now it's a little fat. There's a little warm there.
Yeah.
Warm there.
Yeah, of course. This is supposed to work. It's good.
Yeah, feel it a little.
Yeah. Get it on there. Not that warm. Not yet. This one become hot.
I didn't even see you add the beats.
Yeah. So basically, once initially we have to prime the pump. So holding the up arrow and down arrow and holding it, and you can hear the pump click. Basically it's just transfer the diesel oil from the tank to the piping.
Not
Okay?
that hot.
So that's the first time. Right now it's already from. So for my unit, this manual we just holding for 2 seconds. It will start. Usually take about 2 minutes. So I can feel. Oh, it's a bit hot. No, see, Alex, you can feel. It's warm, right?
Yeah.
So basically, this is yeah. So this will go to the tent.
It's shaking.
Yeah. And you can put it here, warm it, because it's too cold, right? Just have oh, so good, right? Yeah.
Okay. Not too warm. It's not really going.
Yeah, because outside right now.
It's taking like forever to get.
Yeah, but imagine it's going to the tent, it will be hot, right?
Yeah, really hot. And it's horrible.
Oh, by the way, the only thing is my battery is not enough to support the amp, so I have to let my car running, put the light socket, right? Oh, somebody. Back up, back up. You can turn off that. I'm a cameraman now. Oh, this boy is violent. Oh, so violent. Oh, barbarian boy. Mongolian. Look. Hey, hey, hey. No. You're inside. You're inside. That's your stage, okay? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Let's welcome the Kung Fu master Alex perform his soling stick. yeah, okay. Yeah. No.
Wow, what a long show.
This boy is crazy, huh? This kid is a crazy boy. Don't near him, okay? He's so crazy. Yeah. So many energy to burn.
What does most have it?
Yeah. Yeah. How about you use the head to smash it?
Yeah,
Huh?
use head.
Yeah, use your damn head.
That's headbutt. That's headbutt.
Yeah. He's fighting snow monster, huh?
What are you doing? Is that count as a weapon?
I never looked at.
Okay. Enough. Hey, Alex, tell your feeling. How about now? Shit. What's that shit?
Mine.
How about you?
Mine. Mine.
Okay.
Mine.
Hey, still recording right now.
I know that.
Where's that? Look.
No.
Want this?
Yeah.
You want this one?
Alex, how do you feel about your stick food skills?
Alex, how's your anger management?
Yeah, how's your... Alex, is there a reason why you're so aggressive, Alex? We're stepping on ice and you're stabbing ice with a wooden stick.
Yeah, definitely this boy don't need a diesel heater,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
How come he don't need a diesel heat? He don't afraid of cold, huh?
Uh-huh.
Hey,
Alex?
he's almost hit you.
Alex, is there a reason you're
Alex, why are you so mad?
here is the address for an anger management school. Oh shit! You want the address to an anger management? Holy. Look at that position. Nice
Yes, sir, you
form.
maybe introduce yourself. What kind of TV station you come from?
Hello, I come from anger management station where we interview the most anger management kids in the world.
Yeah, look how angry he is. But good thing is he don't afraid of cold. So we don't need to give him some diesel heater.
Alex, why are you so angry?
What?
Look at that foam. How angry are you out of 10? How angry are you? Out of 10.
15 out of 10.
15 out of 10. You dropped your stick. You're still kicking it out.
Why you hate this snow, Alex?
Why do you hate ice?
Yeah. Why you hate this ice and snow?
Why? 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 Why?
I
Uh,
destroy.
Alex, do you hate ice?
just
Yeah.
you need an anger management school.
Alex, what's your girlfriend's name?
Yes. What's your girlfriend?
Let's hear. Let's hear.
Yeah, let's hear what's your girlfriend.
Yeah. Is it your girlfriend dump you? You make yourself angry?
It's because of the moon.
What is your girlfriend's name, sir?
Queen Elizabeth.
Queen Elizabeth.
Yeah, girlfriend dump you? Huh? That's why you're angry? Must be some reason. Before he is such a quiet kid, shy. But now he's
What is
angry.
this?
Mm.
I found a cave.
Oh yeah?
I made an ice cave.
What is the reason you're mad?
No. Okay, he found a cave. He's a caveman, right?
Yes.
It's an ice cave right here.
Yeah. So you want to live in there, right?
Yes.
Caveman?
He wants to live in there. Yes.
Caveman with a stick.
Yes.
He can do all kinds of things.
Yes.
Now I want to go back with Genghis Khan.
Oh,
back.
yeah.
Genghis
He's
Khan.
Mongol
Yes.
house, Mongolia. Yes. Yeah.
He wants to invent a time traveling machine.
Yeah. Alex, Genghis Khan is your ancestor?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah. That's why you're brave, right? Alex, where's your house?
Yes.
He died in lava.
Are you trying to mine back your horse?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we don't have house, you have the donkey.
Why are you so ugly?
No, you're beautiful, Alex.
Alex, why are you so ugly? Congratulations, sir. You on the world record. World's ugliest.
Hey, Alex, the millions of people are watching you.
Yes, millions or hundreds of.
Do you want to say something to the people?
Yes.
Huh?
World's ugliest Mongolian.
You ugly.
Say it again. Say it again.
You ugly.
So that's a 2022 words. Say it again.
You ugly.
Alex, do you know how to like a toy?
Click, click, click.
I'm trying.
Ah, okay. 7 years old.
Whatever. It's melting the freaking candle.
I have to do it.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's falling. It's falling. It's falling.
Okay, say something.
Hi.
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 You're bad. You're good. You're bad. And who's the ugly?
You.
Can I blow a candle?
Say something, baby.
Hi.
Don't show your damn teeth.
What are you doing?
Okay. Blow. All right, good. 7 years old, okay?